day once again, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to crochet a sunflower keychain. So I am using this yarn. This is a milk cotton yarn. It is 4-ply and it is found in my TikTok shop. So please follow me if you are interested. You can buy a milk cotton yarn in my TikTok shop, so please follow me. I will put the link on the description or in the comment section below. So let's start. First, we're going to make a round. We're going to make a single crochet, or we are going to use a single crochet. So we are going to make 6 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3. Let's pull this yarn. Then the second run is we are going to increase, so we are going to double, so it will become 12 single crochet. Slip stitch and then chain 1, and then at the same hole we are going to make a single crochet. In the next hole make 2 single crochet, and so on and so forth, so until we have done 12 single crochet. So we have finished our second round, so we are going to make a slip stitch. Then make a chain, and then on the next hole we are going to make 2 single crochet. Next 1 single crochet. On the next hole make 2 single crochet. Next hole 1 single crochet, and on the next hole 2 single crochet. So that's so on and so forth until we have reached we are going to reach 18 single crochet. So we have finished the third round, so we are going to lock this one. So we are going to make 2 circles, and now we're going to make the petals. So let's make 3 chain, and then we are going to make a treble crochet. So after that, make 2 chains, then slip stitch, then make another treble crochet on the same hole. Make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and insert on the next hole. And then make a slip stitch.